Hello everyone, I hope you had a great Christmas. My name is Birjees and today I'm going to paint a cottage in the Scottish Highlands. I've already done the drawing. The picture reference comes from Pixabay, but the reference was of a scenery that was autumn based, so I'm going to try and make it sort of summery and that kind of thing. So without further ado, let's just get started and I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. So I'm now going to let this sky dry, and while it's drying I'm going to work on the roof here, which is going to be a slate grey type of roof. So let's get going with that. I suppose I should mention that when I was painting this, as soon as I laid down the first wash, I was disturbed. Now I noticed that there's an error, a big error in this painting, and really it was caused by, as soon as I laid down the first wash, I had this huge disturbance coming in from workmen coming into the rooms. And as a result of that, the distraction just caused me to start painting quickly. And this all happened off camera. So I've noticed that the mountain here is completely off. So I'm going to try and put some of it back in. This should have been up here like that, all the way up there like this. So I'm just going to do the best I can by putting in some of the colors that I missed putting there. I mean, I don't know how it's going to look now, but let's just see what we can do with it, because it really should be sort of all the way up there like that. Sort of like, maybe it'll work, I don't know. So let's just let me just try and put as much in as I possibly can, just to show that this mountain is sort of all the way like that. Yeah, I mean, those workmen, I tried to politely ask them to sort of keep their voices down, but they didn't understand, and they just carried on, and they were going in and out, and I thought, okay, just do whatever I can as ASAP, and as a result, I just had this bit of this sort of mess going on here, and I noticed this as soon as I finished painting, and I'm just going to try and correct it as best I can. Yeah, it looks much better now, I hope, anyway, to you, but let's just put a bit more here, just to round it off a little bit, like that, just like that. So yeah, I mean, I think I'm a little bit happier with that now, but not entirely, because it's all of a patch-up job now. And yeah, that's a lot better than it was before, and a lot better than it was before. So let's just put a bit more here as well, just teensy weensy bit, just a sort of a correction technique here, like that. I hope you enjoyed that. Do consider subscribing. Give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and or like it, and do leave a comment. And that's how we correct a painting that can go wrong, because there are external factors that I encounter every time. So do consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you.